What is up, guys? Stan at the site. In this video, I'm going to show you how to automate draw.io diagrams from ChatGPT. So first, open your draw.io account, and after that, in the new tab, open ChatGPT, and then give ChatGPT the command that you want an XML code for a draw.io automation diagram. And after giving the command, the ChatGPT will write the XML code. You just simply need to copy this XML code. And after copying this XML code, you just need to open Notepad. After opening the Notepad application, you just simply need to click on this plus file for an untitled file and just paste that particular code. Click on File and then click on Save As. After clicking on Save As, you just need to give it the name. Let's say I am giving draw.io or draw.io, and then I'll just save it in my desktop and make sure that you save type as all files and then click on save. After that, head over back to your draw.io and from here click on file and then click on import from, and from import from you just need to select the device. After selecting device, click on this desktop and then search for the draw.io file that you just saved. Select that once or click on it once and then click on open, and then as you can see, the draw.io diagram has been opened and it is fully created by ChatGPT. So this is how you can automate your draw.io diagrams from ChatGPT. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.